In one film, one scene also there. Which film? Tamil film only. One scene is there to kill one person. He will keep one person in the room. 2 days, he will die. He will close everything. I don't know that name. Hero. That things I don't know. Ma. That scene alone, I liked it. Tamil patam. So once again, a very good afternoon, friends. I thought concept is completed, but just now I remembered one topic, drift current I have to cover. That is 10 minutes only. I will explain. Then we'll do the numericals. Okay. Somebody, please tell me what is the meaning of the drift? Shifta? Tell me, Harshit, what is the drift? Okay, look here. Anyone have idea? Drift speed? Drift, you know. What is the meaning of the drift speed? Drifting means increasing the speed of the electron. Drifting means what? Increasing the speed of the electron. I think you might be hearing one term very frequently, drift irrigation. Drift irrigation means, drift irrigation, you know, huh? Anyone knows? Huh? Drippa. Drift. That is there. I am talking drift irrigation. I will tell you. Drift irrigation means the water at the centralized, the major place where you want to send the water. They will choose the location from the river, from all the sources of water they will collect. They will elevate the water height, like reservoirs, dams, projects are there na. With the powerful motors, they will drift. So they drift against the gravity. If they open the gates naturally because of gravity, they will reach the destinations where irrigation water is required. That is called drifting. Drifting means increasing the height here, meaning it will come. Here, what is the meaning of the drift speed here? Tell me. Increasing speed of the electron. But actually, I mean, conventionally, what is the meaning of the electric current? Flow of positive charge. In fact, we know it is incorrect, wrong, but I will explain by consideration of the positive charge only. For suppose, this is any conducting wire. To flow the current, what I have to do, tell me? This side I have to connect high potential. What is the meaning of the high potential? I should connect it to positive terminal, and here this side I have to connect it to negative terminal. If you close the circuit, if you close the battery, if you switch on battery, what will happen? Just to visualize, one positive charge will enter. For better understanding, one positive charge will enter. And here for your understanding, I am explaining, I am keeping some copper atoms. Once positive charge entered, what will happen? Do you think its path is free? Respond. Do you think the path is free? I am telling. Definitely not. Once it is hitting any copper atom, what will happen? It cannot displace the atom. Atoms are rigid. They never dislocate from their position. Then only the positive charge will be coming to rest. After striking this atom, one positive charge coming to rest. What is the initial speed of this positive charge right now? 0 meters per second. Depends on the orientation. In which direction it is strike that atom, it may change its path like this. And again it may collide, about to collide one more atom also. So the shortest distance between these two atoms is called a mean free path of that positive charge. What is that? Mean free path. Why I am calling free path? When it is traveling from one atom to another atom, it is not encountering any collisions. It was totally free. That's what the distance between the two atoms is called a mean free path. That is denoted with the symbol lambda. Is it clear? And between these two successive collisions, initially it is encountered collision with this first atom, and it is about to encounter collision with the second atom. So between these two successive collisions, it is relaxing only. Na? What is the meaning of relaxing and non-relaxing? Non-relaxing means when it is encountering collision, it is non-relaxation. When it is moving freely means, what is that called? Relaxation. The time taken by this positive charge to travel from one atom to another atom is called a relaxation time. That is represented with the tau or tau. Relaxation time. What is the lambda is called here? Free path. When we have to call mean free path? For millions and trillions of positive charges, if you do the average of all values of free path, then only you have to call mean free path. Here I am illustrating only movement of one positive charge, so I will call only free path only. That is denoted with the symbol lambda. My question is very simple and straight. What is the initial speed of this positive charge? 0. And after leaving from the first atom, How many forces are acting on the positive charge? For better understanding, this is the high potential, this is the low potential. I mean, this is this phase, this is this phase, this is a positive charge, left the first atom and going towards the second atom. Tell me now, how many forces are acting on the positive charge? Two forces, very good. What are they? One is electric force acting right side and other one is magnetic force vertically downside. If I neglect this gravitational force, is there any big change in my analysis? Why? Comparing with to electric force, gravitational force is the most weakest force in the nature. You can neglect the value. So the discussion is waste. Correct or not? One problem also we did on that around 10 power 26 times. That electric force is 10 power 26 or 10 power 27 times to gravitational force. Average rough value only. Precisely you cannot say. Depends on the charge to charge, it will vary. Order only I am telling. Means you can neglect. 1 by 10 power 26 means do you need to consider that? 0.000026 zeros will come. That's what I am omitting the effect of gravitational force. Tell me what a net force acting on that positive charge? Q into E. You know the magnitude of the charge is how much? E into capital E. Whether it is proton or electron, its charge is how much? E only. What net force means? M into A equal to E into E. What is the acceleration of that positive charge? E into E divided by mass of that positive charge. Here mass of the proton meaning it will come. What is the mass of the proton? Who will tell? 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. As I told you, what is the time taken to travel from first atom to second atom? So here electric field is constant, charge of the electron is constant, mass is constant. So definitely this positive charge within the two atoms moving with the constant acceleration. Constant acceleration means immediately you have to remember one concept. What is that? Any object traveling with constant acceleration, uniform acceleration, immediately you have to remember one concept. Equations of motion you have to remember or understanding. Uniform accelerated motion means you have to remember V is equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Understood? So shall I actually what I want to calculate the discussion also just before reaching 2, it will acquire maximum speed only, na? Please say yes or no. Because of the accelerating force, speed will be drifted. Drifted means what? Achieves peak value. That the maximum speed acquired by the charge is only called drifted speed. Drifting means what? Increasing magnitude. So I will assume what is the drift speed, put question mark. Which is suitable equation of motion? Tell me. V is equal to U plus AT and V is equal to U value how much? 0. What is the acceleration? E into capital E divided by small m into tau. This is the expression for what here? Drift speed. Is it clear, everyone? Now, my next question to you all people, evaluate free path. What is the meaning of free path? Total distance covered total distance traveled by the positive charge within two successive collisions is called what? Free path. What equation of motion I have to select? You have to guide me. Very good. S equal to how much? Ut plus and half at square. S is nothing but what here? Lambda, and U value how much? 0 into tau plus half into what is the acceleration? E into capital E divided by small m into tau square. What is the mean free path equal to? Half into E into capital E and into small m and tau square. This is the expression for what here? Mean free path or free distance traveled by the positive charge within the two successive collisions. Is it clear? Who is singing, right? If you want to sing, we will stop the class and please sing. I will also listen. Every day I will listen 10-20 songs. Understood? Who wants to sing the song? I will stop the class. They can come. I will arrange the mic also. Understood? Any music players are there? Musicians? Violin, sitar. We'll stop class and we'll do kacheri. Okay? Kacheri, you know. What Arshid? Humming.
Not me, sir.
Who?
I don't know.
Okay, no proof, na? Okay, confidently you are talking. Okay, okay.
Sir, I'm sitting front, sir. How I know, sir? I'm sitting back.
Who is humming, Ray? Then definitely not Shailesh. Not Tamim. Surya will not do. Pulsa, na? Wearing mask. Huh? Okay. Anyway, it is not a bad thing, Ray. Why are you feeling like that? I am telling now. If you want to sing, you can sing here. Why? You can. I am giving freedom, na? 5 minutes only. What? Okay, here this is one. Okay, students, here one element I am taking. This is one very, very small element, but for your better visibility, somewhat a magnified diagram I have drawn. But in reality, I have taken very, 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 very tiny elementary conductor I am taking. Left side I connected positive charge, right side I connected negative charge. Means left side high potential, left side high potential and right side low potential. Understood? Who is that again? Okay, so now one positive charge entered here. Right now, earlier discussion was held microscopically only. Microscopically means we went within the two atoms and we analyzed. For suppose one example I will explain. If you are observing one car very nearby you, you will notice that car increasing speed, decreasing speed, it is going constant speed or changing direction. You can notice very clearly. But when you are in an aeroplane, which is moving around 20,000 foot, 10,000 foot, you are observing any highway. What do you notice? Do you able to notice acceleration of the vehicles and deceleration of the vehicle? No, you will tell that, sir, maybe that all vehicles are traveling with the constant speed only. No, sir. Maybe I am not sure, sir. You will tell like that. Correct or not? Same way, in the microscopical discussion, we are monitoring the charge very nearby and you notice that speed is drifted. Drifted means magnified. But now see, I'm watching the element. I'm watching element means comparing with the size of the element. What is the size of the charge? Very, very tiny. Na? Can you distinguish the increment in speed and decrement in speed? No, no. Correct or not? So macroscopically, the speed of the charge is always constant. But microscopically, speed will vary, will accelerate, will decelerate, will acquire maximum speed, will acquire zero speed. But macroscopically, what do you comment on speed? Constant speed. Say yes or no. Now tell me the time taken by this positive charge to travel from left face to right face is, let's say, very small elementary observation we have. Very small moment we are observation. Understood? Then what a time taken? Delta t second. I told you delta t second means you should understand it's very, very small time interval. In fact, small meaning everything is constant only. Na? If you decrease the time, every speed become constant only. Na? So in that logic also, speed of the charge is remaining constant. Now you people tell me what is the length of this conductor? Please respond. Ella. So write V into delta T, where V is the drift speed of that positive charge or constant speed of that positive charge into delta T. That is the length of the conductor. And this conductor also containing some number of atoms. Says or no? Copper atoms are there. Let's say N equal to, capital N equal to what here? Capital N equal to here, total number of atoms in the conductor. Let's say the area of this circular cross section is capital A. Area of the circular cross section is capital A. What is the V is nothing but, respond, volume of the conductor. All elements are in cylindrical shape only. Understood? Whatever the size is there, whatever the dimension is there, whatever the length is there, whatever the area of cross section is there for any element, number density. What is small n here? Number density, not mole number. Be careful. We are not discussing gas. Here small n is not mole number. What is small n here? Number density. Every conductor has its own number density. What is the meaning of the number density? Total number of positive charges conventionally, but in reality, total number of electrons. For understanding, conventional discussion is different, reality discussion is different. Understood? So what I can write, number of positive charges in a 1 unit volume is called what here? Number density. What are the MKS units to measure this number density? Per meter cube. Is my point clear here? Now tell me, all of you, what is the total charge in this conductor? What is the total charge in the conductor? Number of charges into electron. Number is nothing but what, ma? Capital N equals small n into V only, na? Say yes or no? Small n into capital V into E. This is the total charge confined inside the elementary conductor that we are analyzing, investigating. Now tell me, I want current. I want total current flowing in the conductor. What is the current formula? Tell me. Current is nothing but what, ma? Total charge flowing in very small time interval. Substitute dq value here. What do you get? N into volume of the conductor into charge of the electron by delta T. Shall I write? Volume of the cylinder is nothing but what, ma? Area of the circular cross section into length of the cylinder. What is length of the cylinder? drift speed into time taken. I forgot delta t into E and whole divided by delta t. Delta t cancels out. So this is the current contributed by drifted charges only. Na? That's what hereafter this current is called drift current. What a formula for drift current? Vena. Vena means drift velocity into E into N into A. Very, very important. Memorize the result. Vena. I equal to Vena. Vena means no. Understood? Okay. Clear everyone? Okay. Direct problems will come in your final NEET. If these questions are coming in your NEET, you are very lucky. Understood? And few more parameters also I will introduce. The total current divided by water, Arshit. Seriously, I am explaining. You are not watching board, you are not listening, and you are talking to Tamim, you are talking to Arshit. Others are not doing like that. Why? If I am telling me, sir, you are only always targeting me only. In the classroom, many people are there. You are not targeting them. You are always attacking me only. Like that political allegation you will do. Then I have to short.
That day he told only, I told, sir. I didn't say.
Why are you talking to him? When you are talking to me, I have to take video for proof. Are you Supreme Court judge? You should not talk. That's all. Understood? When I am talking, your ears, brain only should function. Other organs should not function. Understood? Okay. Sometimes hand also for writing. Okay. Heart also should function. It is necessary. Okay. So what is the current by area equal to? Tell me that. What a current by area is called here what? Current density. Correct or not? The total current flowing per unit perpendicular area is called here what? Current density. That is represented with the symbol capital J. J is equal to how much? Drift speed into E into N. Okay, friends. So I don't want to extend the discussion because if I extend the discussion, resistance will come. Resistance anyway I checked and I confirmed it also. Next test it is there. Resistance concept we should not discuss. Problems also we should not discuss. If problems comes in coming CPT, immediately please send it to me. In the exam also no problem. Take the screenshot and send it to me. Immediately I will object. Resistance will not come. Now we'll do problems immediately. Okay. Harshit, ask some doubts to me. Do this problem, everyone. Question number 1 immediately. We'll do one thing. Level 2 will do in the class. Level 1 homework. Level 1, that current heading is there na. Current heading, drift velocity heading is there na. Homework. Please write down. Tomorrow I'll check. Level 1 classwork, level 1 homework. Title is what? Electric current and drift velocity homework. 10 problems only there. Very less number of problems. Now we will discuss level 2 problems. Okay, everybody, please try question number 1 quickly. 2 minutes time. Students, one small suggestion. Chemistry, biology compulsory 340. Some students, what they are doing, chemistry, if they don't like, see, this is very important. Chemistry, if they don't like, please try to get 160 in physics. Then these 2 subjects only will contribute 500 marks. Either biology plus physics 500 plus or biology plus chemistry 500 plus. Then the 4th subject is there, na? That is your last score. For example, OBC students 58 marks are required. That 4th subject you plan like that. MBC student 20 marks are required. You plan like that. So you in your self study unnecessarily your time will not be wasted. If I am forcing you chemistry compulsory, you have to get 160 out of 180 means you may not like that subject. I mean, not liking means you should like compulsory. Interest point of view I am talking. No, if you like more, I mean, if you are interested in physics means change that subject. Understood? Clear? But this 500 plus formula everyone have to follow. Biology plus either chemistry, biology plus or physics compulsory 500 plus you have to get. Then easily you will be in the cutoff list. Some Gokulavani like students 24 hours they are studying physics only. They are feeling that biology I got good score only. Biology 200 is not good score. 250 is also not good score. 300 also not good score. 330 also not good score. 360 by 360 subjects those are. I'm telling that. 350 at least. 340 minimum. Like that you have to plan. Clear? Without strategy, how much hard work you have done, it is waste, students. Clear? What you won't get, you are attempting that only, your time will waste. Finally, agony will come. Pain will come for you, for me, for your parents also. Are you understanding? Huh? Any doubts, ma? Jayashree, please study strategically. Harshit also chemistry losing marks. Correct or not? Correct or not? Biology is getting 300 plus. Chemistry unable to cross 110, 120. Physics is doing good. He is losing major marks in biology. What is the use of physics getting 136, 120, 110? Is there any use? Please think, okay? Then do this problem. I will also guide you in a hydrogen. Anyone got answer? Tell me. In a hydrogen tube, it is observed that through a given cross section, how many electrons per second? This is dN by dt is given how much? 3.13 into 10 raised to 15 electrons per second. Moving from right to left means going like this. Electrons are going left side means what is our direction of current? Right side na. Our direction of current means positive charge only na. Electron going left side means positive charge will go right side only. So what is direction of current? Right side only. So option 1 is wrong. Option 2 is wrong. Is it clear, friends? Either 1 milliampere or 1.5 milliampere only correct answer, but we have to complete this calculation. Sorry, and two more. Then from right to left, how many protons are going? 3.12 into 10 power 5 protons are going left to right. Protons are going from left to right means current also right side, na? Correct or not? Because of electrons, current is right side. Because of protons also, current is right side. That's what I eliminated left. Then the electric current in the discharge tube, how much is asking? What net current means? Respond. Current contributed by electrons plus current contributed by protons. Both are in the same direction, na? So plus plus I will write. Understood or not understood? What is the current contributed by electrons? Total charge by time. Here also total charge by time. Total charge means what? Number of electrons by time plus number of protons by time. What number of electrons by time equal to how much? How much, right? 3.13 into 10 power 15 into E, and plus how many number of protons per second? 3.12 into 10 power 15 protons into E. I have to add them. What do you get? 6.25 into 10 power 15 into E. E value how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Minus 19 you have to write this side. And 6.25 into 1.6 into 10 power 15 minus 19 how much? Minus 4. Anyway, answer in milliampere, na? So 10 I will multiply, 10 I will divide. So 6.25 into 1.6 how much? 16 5s are 80.
10.060.
10.060. This one, you are saying this one. Then divide by 10 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. So 1 milliampere only the right answer. Option 2 is the perfect answer for the question. Everyone understood? Try question number 2, everyone. Everybody try question number 2 for 2 minutes. You can do. You can do it. An electron of mass small m and moves around the nucleus in a circular orbit of radius small r under the action of centripetal force capital F. Then the equivalent electric current is how much? Hint I will give. Current contributed by electron equal to total charge by time taken to complete one revolution only, na? This is a major hint. Anyway, Q is given nicely. Q is given E only. What is your target? Should find the time period. For finding time period, give me one clue. Hint number 2 also I will give. Centripetal force provided by electron. Who? Who is providing centripetal force on electron? Electric force only, na? This is the second clue. Try and tell me the answer. Option 2. Sri Shailesh and Harshit. Option 2. Any supporters? Vajika today not came, huh? Online, huh? Kavi, what happened online?
The vaccination I got yesterday before, sir. I'm deciding the day yesterday fully, so I take this today.
What it is, Sarah? Anyone understood?
The day before yesterday he took vaccine.
That also I understood.
Yesterday he came, sir.
Yesterday came.
Today feeling tired, sir.
Today feel
Feeling tired.
tired. Tired or not feeling well?
Not feeling.
Okay.
That doctor do say take rest for 1 day, sir. So I take rest, sir.
Okay. Now you are lying on the bed and listening, huh?
No, sir. Morning only take rest, sir. Now listening class.
I know. Okay, Kavi. Okay. What about you, Fatima? Where are you? Fatima, she will come offline, huh? No, first onwards online only, na? What happened to you, ma? Pasha Tarani? Unmute.
Sir.
Pasha Tarani, what happened?
Sir, festival, sir. So.
Festival? Which festival?
She went to temple.
Which temple?
Their native.
Hometown. Ma, stop all these things, ma. Your Shivaratri, Mahashivaratri, Dasara, Sankranti, Ramjan after NEET exam only. Okay? Gods will understand. She is having NEET examination, so this year she had not visited my temple. He will understand. Very great heart. All gods are having very great heart. Please, understood? Focus. 1 second also important. Anyway, do. What Bharati is doing like this? Discussing. Oh, you have to shake like this. Okay, I don't know that. Habit, mannerism, womanerism. Huh? Okay. Okay, anyone got answer? Any supporters? Priya, you too. That biology 340, you have high chances to cross 600, but you are basically fun lover, na? Correct or not? Group discussions are nice, huh? With Vajika and Gokulavan. No, only Gokulavan, yeah? Combined studies, huh? Come on. You people are after going to house in front of your parents, just studying, not studying actually, you are acting in front of your parents 2 hours, 3 hours, then they will come, Amma, you tired very well, you come, go to bed means you are nicely, huh? That is not study. That is not, like that you will not get merit quota. Minimum 8 to 10 qualitative hours you have to study every day. Understanding? Or else this average only will come in your final need. Still ample of time is there. You have to realize. Tamim is nicely going college and this thing balancing. I am not understanding how is balancing. Studying 8 to 10 hours. Honest answer.
I'm reaching the 8 to 10 hours
reaching, studying, reaching. Then where is the result? Right? Instead of studying, do problems, discuss with me more problems. Not only me, completing material problems. Person also 2 hours only. In front of your father, 2 hours holding book. Kanna, நீ ரொம்ப டயர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு இப்போ உள்ள போய் தூங்கு போ. Thank you அப்பா. Okay. அவள்தானா? இல்ல. How many hours you are studying? 5 to 6, not 8 to 10. 5 to 6 before 4 years. No. Yuma Puja. How many hours?
5 hours.
Increase.
Morning 2 hours.
Morning 5 hours, evening 5 hours.
Morning, evening 5 hours. Morning 2 hours.
You said 5 hours again. 7.
Sir, evening 5 hours. Morning, I didn't say in the queue.
Meena, you 8 hours, 10 minutes. Like Robo is there, na? Robo. Yuma, how many hours? 8 to 10. Okay, maintain. Anyone got answer? Order. Anyone got answer? So that electron is revolving in the option 1, na? They changed. So electron is providing, who is providing centripetal force? Electric force only providing complete centripetal force, na? Electric force between electron and nucleus formula how much? Respond K into charge of the nucleus. He told directly under the centripetal force, you don't need to do anything. If I will take, what is centripetal force formula? mr omega square. Again, omega value how much? 2 pi by capital T. So F equal to how much? M into R into 2 pi by capital T whole square. So F equal to how much? M into R into 4 pi square divided by T square. T square value how much? M into R into 4 pi square by F. Square if you send that side, what will happen? Under root. Correct? Substitute here nicely. What you get? Current equal to E by under root of M into R into 4 pi square by F. And send inside A E under root of F by M into R into 4 pi F square. 4 pi square. 4 pi square I will take outside. What do you get? 2 into pi. So option 1 is the right answer. Understood? Question number 3. இந்த மாதிரி கேள்வி ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Important means what? முக்கியமா? Right. Perfect. This is very, very question setter, favorite question student. This kind of model I saw many times in the NEET medical question paper. Please try this right now. 2 minutes time. Second. Step mean Lawrence step or Sundaramma? Question is asking the solution. Okay. Or current equal to charge by time period. time period I have to find. Centripetal force contributed by electric force F only. F equal to mr omega square. Omega equal to 2 pi by t. So this is the next problem. Try this. Manas, how many hours you are studying, ma? Yesterday? If you study like that, you will get aims reduce. 1 hour is enough. Your health also will spoil. 8 to 10 hours you have to study. You, Amshita Sri. Parents will tell, Amma, 4 hours means you will become collector, ma. We don't want that. Sleep like that, they will tell. You educate them. Got it, ma? Bharti, you got how much? 3. Bharti will speak very less, ma. Option 3, only like this. Less talking, less work, less marks. Less talking, less work, less marks. Fate is like that. Okay, any supporters for Bharati? I think Priya should consult ophthalmologist.
Sir, option 3. Sir.
Option 3. Here, strong supporter is there. Next. Okay. It's a variable current or constant current? Variable current, what method you have to use? Integration method. What integration method? Total charge flowing how much? Integration of instantaneous current into dt from where to where? 1 second to 3 seconds. This is a formula. Correct or not? Substitute I value how much? Integration of I value? 3t plus 4t square into dt, and 3 I am taking outside t into dt plus 4 into integration of how much? T square into dt, and total charge how much? 3 into what? Integration of t? Very good. T square by 2. Put the limits from 1 to 3 plus 4 into t cube by 3 from 1 to 3. 3 by 2 and put the limits. What do you get? 3 square minus 1 square plus 4 by 3 into how much? 3 cube minus 1 whole cube. So 3 by 2 into 9 minus 1 plus 4 by 3 into 27 minus 1. So 3 by 2 into 9 minus 1 means what? 8 plus 4 by 3 into 26. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So 12 plus 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2. 104 by 3. If you take the LCM 4. By 3. Sorry. Printing mistake. 3 12 are almost 36 plus 104 equal to 140 divided by 3. Very good. Option 3 is the perfect answer. Very good. Everyone புரிஞ்சிச்சா? நல்லா. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான கேள்வி. இது question number 5, students. Question number 5. Direct formula question, student. No logical thinking, no creative thinking required, no innovative thinking is required. Only memory is required. Just before going to exam hall, one formula you have to remember. That's all. Tell me. Very good. I is equal to Vena. I is equal to V into E into N into A. I is given, everything is given. V you have to find, drift speed. எல்லாரு கண்டிப்பா பண்ணனும். இது ரொம்ப சுலுவான கேள்வி. சுலபமான கேள்வி. சுலபமான கேள்வியா? Okay. சுலபமான கேள்வி. You teach ma, correct me. Don't laugh like that. At least I am learning to. I'm trying to learn Tamil. You are should help me.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2. 2, okay. Given current equal to 16 ampere and number density is given 4 into 10 raised to 28 per meter cube and area is given how much? 10 raised to minus 5 meter square. Drift speed how much? Formula I equal to Vn ENA, no? V value how much? I by ENA. I value how much? 16 by charge of electron how much? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into N value how much? 4 into 10 power 28 into area value how much? 10 power minus 5. 16, shall I write like this? 16 by 10. 16 cancels out. 10 power minus 19 I will cancel. So 1 plus 19 here. 28 I will cancel here, minus 28 here. 10 power minus 5 I will cancel here, plus 5. So 1 by 4 means what? I don't need to do anything. 2.5 is there now. So 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters per second is your answer. Students, the homework problems now itself I am posting in the group workout. Okay. Students, hardly 8 questions are there. Today evening or tomorrow, please do that. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. We will meet after botany session. Thank you.